I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the Powered by Shopify Dawn theme. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then navigate to Online Store and Themes. Next, click on Actions next to your active theme and select Edit Languages. In the search bar, type Powered to locate the relevant fields. In the Powered by Shopify field, delete the existing text and leave it blank. If applicable, repeat the process for the Powered by Shopify HTML field. Then, click Save to apply the changes. Preview your store to ensure the Powered by Shopify text has been removed from the footer. If you encounter issues, consider editing the theme code by accessing Online Store and Themes. Then, Actions and Edit Code, locating the footer.liquid file and removing the Powered by link code.